And suspects in the infamous Maypen robbery and shooting spree are now in police custody. The police commissioner made the announcement during a joint tour of Junction in St. Elizabeth with the security minister. With the increase in robberies in Junction, more police are being deployed to that area.
Suspects from Sunday's high-profile robbery and shooting in Maypen, Clarendon are now in police custody. Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson making the announcement during a tour of Junction St. Elizabeth on Friday.
At the moment, we've arrested some suspects in the Maypen one, and we'll be after these ones as well.
The commissioner was part of a tour in Junction where 2 supermarkets, a remittance shop and a pharmacy were robbed by armed bandits in recent weeks. The Junction police seemingly unable to manage the increase in crime. A high-profile security team, including National Security Minister Dr. HORACE CHANG, swooped down on the area. The commissioner explaining that with the increase in crime comes increased police attention.
Well, I came down really to give some support to the divisional team that's down here, and also to get my own first-hand assessment of what happened here, but also to reassure the citizens here in Junction that it's getting our full attention.
For Dr. Chang, the move is not only important to the security plan for the area, but is critical in reminding residents and business operators that the cops are still in control.
Community is very tense. It's not the kind of thing that you expect in Junction. It has happened, and we want to speak with the citizens here to hear, get a feel of exactly what's happening in the town. It's important they're planning.
The latest robbery in Junction was on Wednesday. Workers and customers at a remittance store held up and cash taken, the robbers escaping in a waiting vehicle. Business operators in Junction have been calling for more effective crime-fighting measures. The victims in the Maypen robbery are also calling for a strong response from the security forces. While not giving details, Dr. Chang says strong measures are being implemented.
Not everything can be spoken to in the public, but I can assure the police will be taking every step possible to bring back normalcy to the people in Junction. And I'm aware that they have apprehended a number of the suspects who have carried out the action down here.
Herman Green, TVJ News.